Good morning, students. So, we shall start with the lesson number 2, operations on large number. In our online classes, we completed our chapter number 1, which is more on large numbers. In that chapter, we learned what are Indian number system and what are international number system. From this chapter, we'll start with the operation on large numbers. So, we completed our first exercise in which we added, we subtracted, we multiplied and we divided according to the place value holdings. So in this video we will start with the addition and subtraction and its properties. So here see, according to the place values some numbers are added. This you all must be knowing, it is very easy for you. Now we will start with the properties of addition. The first property is commutative properties. A change in the order of the numbers while adding does not change the sum. Now it is very easy that when we change the order of the number, either we take this number first or this number first, the answer will be same. So 4,59,261 plus 1,19,231 is equal to 1,19,231 plus 4,59,261. Either we add these two numbers or we add these two numbers, the answer will be same. So this is our first property, commutative property. Now second is associative property. Now what is associative property? Regrouping of numbers in addition does not change the sum. Now for example, here two numbers were there. Here three numbers are there. Either we add these two both numbers first and then add this third number, or we add these two numbers first and then add these numbers. The sum will be same. अगर हम लोग इन दोनों को ऐड करके फिर लास्ट में इसको ऐड करते हैं, या फिर इन दोनों को ऐड करके लास्ट में इसको ऐड करते हैं, the answer will be same. Here also the answer will be same. So it is associative property. Associative property means regrouping of numbers in addition does not change the sum. Now see third. The sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. 0 is called the additive identity. Now what the 0 is called? 0 is called the additive identity. Now here in this chapter we will learn about additive identity and मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. नाउ एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी इज 0. अगर हम लोग किसी भी नंबर को 0 से ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर जो होगा वो सेम होगा. यस, दिस ऑल यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. सो देर आर थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज: कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टीज एंड एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. Here the definitions are given, so I request you all the students to write the definition of these three in your notebook along with the examples. So now subtraction. Here two numbers are given, it is subtracted. There are two properties of subtraction. First one, if 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Yes, it is right. अगर हम लोग किसी भी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करेंगे, so the answer will be same. So this property is known as the property of 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference will be the number itself. It is known as the property of 0. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. There are two properties, both are related to 0. पहला है जिसमें से हम लोग 0 माइनस करेंगे तो number itself it will come. Either we will minus the number itself from and we will get the answer 0. So these two properties also write in your notebook. Now we shall start with the sums. So here in the exercise some sums are given. So I will make you solve 2-3 sums and then the rest of the sums you will solve by yourself. Okay? So let's start with the sum. Open your notebook along with me and start writing. Firstly understand and then solve the sums along with me. So here the first sum is add the following. Now what we will do, we will add the numbers. Firstly we will count the place values in the numbers given. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here 10 lakh, till 10 lakh the place value is there. Here till crore the place value is there. So firstly we will write the place values. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Till crore we will write the place value, and then we will leave one space, leave one line for the carry and all. Okay, so firstly we'll copy the number. So 3948638 plus 2983156. See, now what we will do, we will add on these numbers. So 8 plus 5, what will be the answer? 13. So we will write 3 here and put 1 here in the carry place. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 will come here, 1 will come here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 10. 8. 9 plus 8, what will be the answer? 17. So here 1 it will come. 13. So here 1 here it will come. So 3. What is our answer? We will put the commas. So our answer is 3,37,80,203. Like this we will add on the following. Like this you will solve the second sum. Now here also 3 numbers are there. सेम इसी मैनर में करेंगे हम लोग. इधर हम लोगों ने 2 नंबर को ऐड किया. विल ऐड 3 numbers. We will get the answer. Here see. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. 3,88,25,123 from 9,91,30,419. So here I'll make you solve one sum, and the next sum you have to do by yourself. So here see, the sums are there. What we will do? We will firstly put the place values. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. What we will do? We will write the numbers according to the place values. 99130,419 minus 38825,123. What we will do? We will subtract the numbers. अब subtract करना तो सबको आता होगा. Everyone must be knowing how to subtract the numbers. So we shall subtract the numbers together. Okay. So see. 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 2 will go? No, we will take from here. So here 3 will come. Here 11 will come. So 11 minus 2, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 0 मिस नहीं आएगा, इधर 2 डाल देंगे. And here 10 will come. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Here 11 will come and here 8 will come. So 11 minus 8, what is the answer? 3. Now 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. So what is our answer? We'll put the comma. We'll get the answer. So what will be our answer? 6,03,05,296. Like this you have to subtract the following. And here find the difference. This you will do in your notebook. Numbers are there. You have to directly subtract the numbers and you will get the answer. So in the next video we will start with the properties of multiplication and division. Complete this exercise and these properties in your notebook. In the next video we will start with the properties of multiplication. Thank you, students.